Croeso I Edghill Martial Arts.
My name is Crefft Edghill and I run the World United Martial Arts for Wales. I'm classed as the president of the World United Martial Arts for Wales. I have 3 full-time martial arts centres, one over here in Old Corwin, one in Bangor, and we teach in the Llandudno Junction Leisure Centre. I started teaching in Bangor 30 years ago, but opened a full-time martial arts centre 27 years ago, and it's one of the longest-serving full-time martial arts centres in the UK. I have people now that are grandparents that are bringing their grandchildren to train with me. We teach from the age of 3. Little ninjas, we call them.
Good. Okay, next one.
We teach with a passion, and we just love what we do.
Okay, 1, 2, good. Okay, ready, 1, 2,
I've been teaching the ninjas. I teach them basically discipline, having fun. I teach them to bow, have a few little games, warm-ups, teach them how to punch, kick. Let ninjas go up to the age of 6, so sometimes they can get to like a blue or an orange sash.
Then from the age of 5 to 6 up to 13, then we call it junior class, and that gets a little bit more discipline, and we involve a little bit more specialised martial arts. And then we've got adult classes from the age of 13 upwards, and we've had a gentleman of 75 that's trained with us before, because it's a Chinese kickboxing, so it's health orientated as well.
Dwi wedi bod I fewn I kickboxio, bocsio'n ers oed ifanc iawn, de. Ni jyst yn licio punchio rhywbeth pan o'n i'n ifanc, de. Dwi'm yn gwybod pam, o taid yn bocsio lot, o taid yn Welsh Boxing Champion, so dwi'n meddwl bod hwnna wedi dylanwadu yn y fi dipyn go lew, de. Dwi'n brown belt, brown advanced ar hyn o bryd, ac yn gobeithio symud ymlaen I black belt yn February. Yn rha 2013, ni digon lwcus I gael ddewis i'r tîm GB, I fynd efo Master Richard Hopkins a'i dîm I Swistir yn Geneva, a o hwnna'n ffantastig. Nes I really enjoy hwnna, ac o'n I digon ffodus I gael cynta yn yr competition, a mae'r medal gan I fi adra wan, di cael ei fframio.
Next year we're going to Italy, and I'll be taking a big Welsh squad from over there. As I say, I picked the Welsh squad, and hopefully I want to probably take 50 to 60 competitors, and we'll go over and give it a go. Wow, good. We're going to hold 2 full contact martial arts competitions in Carnarvon as well next year, probably one over here in Colwyn Bay. And also we've got 4 of the World United Martial Arts Open competitions, which is at Aries Park Leisure Centres. They're on Sundays throughout the year, and as I say, they are very, very good for spectating and anyone who wants to have a go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.